much less control me. When it rains it pours, when the floodgates open, brace your shores.
Hi everybody, now we are going to answer a circuit which is a combination between a parallel circuit and a series circuit. Now we are asked to get the current of each of our resistors, and this is the list of the resistors in the circuit. But first we need to transform our circuit into a simple one, which is this one. And then we use the formula which is B equals to R. And we substitute the data from the simplest circuit, which is the volt that is 10 volt equals to 4.84 times the current. We isolate the current and we have 10 times, and this gives us equal to 2.07, which is the final resistor, the final current. And then we know that in a parallel circuit we have that the sum of each of the current must give us this current, which is the final. So we go back to the parallel circuit and we substitute in each of the resistors this formula, and we have that in the first resistor is the current is equal to 0.66 amperes. To the second, which is 10 resistor, the current will be equal to 1, and in the third one, which is 25 ohms, the current will be 0.4 amperes. Now for the circuit in series, we know that the current will be the same. So we have now the list of the current in each of the resistors, which is this one.
Having in mind the current of each resistor, it's easy to get the voltage because it's only a multiplication of the current times the resistance of each resistor. So we have here 0.6667 amperes times 10, which gives us 6.67 volts. And we do the same procedure to all of these, and it's 3.3 and also here is 10 because it's 10 times 1 volts. Here is 8 volts and 2 volts, and this is the answer.
The motor portion of a blender is actually very simple design, as it is usually a small air-cooled electric motor which is located in the housing portion of a blender. The motor is designed to case a small coupler shaft to spin. Some blenders are designed so that the motion of the motor pulls in air to provide ventilation and keep itself cool.
When the motor in a blender is connected to electrical power and activated, the shaft will spin at a very high rate of speed. When the shaft spins, the blades that are attached to a coupler will also spin at the same speed. The motion creates a sort of vortex inside the blender heart, and you can visually see the whirlpool formed by the force of the motion. This vortex causes any type of solid materials to be poured down into the blade so that it can shift it up and recirculate through the liquid.
Had my shoulders pressed with that weight, stood up strong in spite of that hate.